God's desire is to heal, to bring healing to his people. And we hear this vividly portrayed today as Jesus commissions the 12 here called disciples, the 12 to go out to heal in whatever is needed, to bring the good news of God's love, God's desire, God's blessing for them. For ourselves, when we hear the gospel, we can think immediately, well, that's good for the priests or the deacons. They should be going out. But as you and I know, Jesus commissions every one of us, and especially in parishes, to bring the healing of the Father. Here at St. Vincent de Paul, we're blessed, the parish staff that works in so many ways to do that. We have some people we entitled pastoral minister, just for the pastoral needs, not the financial needs and all the other teaching needs and all that we have. Deacon David Bang, Nicole Flores Thompson, both, that is their job. Now, everyone on staff helps in that, but it is such a gift when you have people like that who are tending to whatever the needs are. We get phone calls almost every day, people stopping after Mass, people checking with us, what about this person? How can we help them? And again, we try to bring the healing of God. And for myself as a pastor, it is such a gift because I'm busy with that. Our deacons are busy with that. But also, it's not just our pastoral staff. You, so many of you, do something as well, bringing the healing of Jesus. We have not only so many committees and groups doing so much, but it's about bringing healing to people. It's about bringing people to the church. It's about bringing people to know Jesus, to know the Father. And it happens in so many forms, you can't even list them all. But what's important is when you and others in the parish recognize that need and you step forward, it's a grace and a blessing. The harvest is abundant. Few are the workers. But when more workers help with that, then other workers happen. Take one example. Look at the Christmas giving program. I was there yesterday evening and this morning again. The hallways of the school, 2 hallways lying down, 50, 60, 70 feet each side, huge garbage bags filled with, not garbage, Christmas gifts. Not for here, not for our parish, but for others who are in need. That's the mission of Jesus. That's bringing one way the healing of the Father. And it happens so many other ways. So I just invite you to be aware this morning as we listen to this gospel. Pray for the workers for the harvest, for there are many. But it's also easy to get distracted and to lose focus, especially if we do it by ourselves. But as Jesus says, when 2 or 3 gather in his name, great power is there. And I see that over and over. And it's not just St. Vincent de Paul. It's every parish around. We're all trying to follow what Jesus did in the commission of the 12, to go out, to find those who are in need of healing, to bring the healing of the Father.